Welcome to Empowerment Christian Church, Nairobi, Kenya, the arena of miracles. Our weekly services are as follows: every Sunday morning, 10 a.m. and on Monday evening, 5 p.m. Miracle Monday service. We are located at Biashara Plaza Building, rooftop at the junction of Moy Avenue, Biashara Street, with God's own oracle, Reverend Lucy Natasha. Our ministry prayer line WhatsApp is as follows: +254 712 787878. To give via M-Pesa mobile money, use our ministry line at +254 710 842121, or you can also pay bills at paybillschurch 222118, account Empower Ash. To those giving on bank cards, their kingdom steward with PDQ machines. God bless you.